Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Multiply 9 and divide by 9. Okay. Now cancel this 9 by 9 is equal to 18. But this answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is addition and here is multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so now 9 plus 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. Divide by 9. Okay, so is equal to 9 plus 81 is equal to 90. Divide by 9. Now 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10. Okay, so the correct answer is 10. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.